To prepare this natural immunity booster, we need 3 cloves of garlic, we need ginger, peel off it, grate it, we need 1 lemon, cut the lemon into 2 slices, take the lemon juice, add lemon juice, we need 1 lemon, peel off it, cut the lemon into slices, take the slices in a bowl, mix it well, add 100 gram of honey, mix it well, pour the ingredients into jar and stir. Take 1 spoon in the morning, at noon and in the evening. You can prepare a quantity for 3 days and store it in the refrigerator. These tips are completely natural, there is no side effect. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.